Your EV isn't just losing value, it may already be trapped in a financial death spiral right now. Thousands of used electric vehicles are flooding the market faster than buyers can absorb them. And what they aren't telling you in the brochure is this: the real problem isn't just battery degradation, it's the collision between falling demand, expensive battery uncertainty, software repair lockouts, and a used market that may never recover to previous values today. We're exposing why used DV prices are collapsing in 2026 and why some owners could lose tens of thousands when they try to sell. Let's start with the numbers used. EV prices have been falling significantly faster than many gasoline vehicles, especially high mileage models, and there's one reason. Buyers are becoming extremely cautious. Battery uncertainty, unlike an engine repair. Battery replacement costs can instantly destroy the economics of an older EV even if total battery failure is uncommon. Perception alone is crushing resale values, but the bigger issue hiding underneath the market is lease saturation. Millions of lease TVs are now returning to the secondary market at the exact same time that sudden oversupply is crushing trade in values, and as newer EVs become cheaper with longer range, older EVs begin to look financially risky, and then there's software dependency. Modern EVs rely heavily on proprietary diagnostics and locked repair ecosystems. Some independent repair shops still struggle to access critical battery systems that creates fear in the used market because if owners believe repairs are restricted, they assume long-term ownership risk is higher. Rapid delivery. Here's why used DV prices are collapsing fast in 2026. Number 1. Massive lease returns flooding the market. Number 2. Buyers' fear. Expensive battery repairs. Number 3. New EV prices are dropping. Number 4. Software lockouts make repairs uncertain. Number 5. High mileage. EVs are becoming difficult to finance, and when financing disappears, resale values collapse even faster. So what happens after 8 to 10 years? This is where the ownership gap becomes impossible to ignore. Most EVs still function well mechanically, but resale markets don't price vehicles emotionally, they price uncertainty, and once battery warranties expire, buyers begin calculating worst case scenarios. Here's the hidden problem. Most people never discuss a gasoline car with 150,000 miles still has a widely understood repair path, but older EV battery longevity is still evolving and uncertainty destroys confidence. That's why some older EVs are depreciating faster than expected even when they still drive perfectly fine. So, should you buy a used DV in 2026? Here's the reality. If you lease short term, many EVs still make financial sense if you buy used. Battery condition matters more than mileage alone, and if you plan to keep an EV beyond warranty, you must understand the long-term battery economics before signing anything. The biggest mistake in 2026 isn't buying an EV, it's buying one without understanding the long-term financial reality. And that's exactly why next we're breaking down which EVs are surviving the 10-year test and which ones are becoming financial liabilities.